everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at just a gorgeous 1967 Chevrolet Chevelle. This is not a true SS. It does have all the SS badging, but it is actually a tribute car. Beautiful, beautiful car, guys. This is a 2-year-old frame-off restoration. It has less than 1,500 miles on the car since it was done, and pretty car, guys. Gorgeous tuxedo black paint on it. It's got all brand new black interior. You can see it's got a slick set of 18-inch Riddler chrome wheels on it. Pretty car, man. Got a pounding 454 underneath the hood. Just a good looking car, man. Kentucky car, so it's got a good solid straight Kentucky body on it. You can see they've replaced all the chrome and stainless again. It's got all the SS trim. It is a clone. It's not a real Super Sport, but they did a nice job with this. Slick paint. This is just a check mark. My guys let me know that it's ready to go. Pretty car. Car's got gorgeous paint on it. So it's just a little wax, guys. They get dusty out here quick, man, just with the road. So much traffic out here. Nice and straight down the sides. Brand new rubber all the way around it. That is a good looking car, man. And it sounds good. When we fire it up, man, this thing just hits a lick. Pretty paint. Look at the paint on that car. Like I say, good running big block 454 underneath the hood. Holley dual feed 4-barrel. You can see the polished Edelbrock Performer aluminum intake, aluminum radiator with shroud, power steering, power front disc brakes. It also has the vacuum canister in it. It's got tubular upper and lower control arms, so it drives out real good. Chrome air cleaner, chrome valve covers, HEI distributor, 400 turbo hydromatic trans. It's got the high dollar billet hinges. You can see a nice set of ceramic coated headers. .400 turbo hydromatic trans. It's tough, man. New front windshield. Like you say, less than 1,500 miles on this car since it was done. New A-pillar chrome, new mirrors. New door handles. You can see the new door rubbers. All new interior. A new carpet, new sill plates. Bucket seats, console, SS steering wheel. Headliner's new. 85,000, that's the original miles to the car. You can see they've actually put all new SS dash and gauges in it, blinker tack, yes it works. Aftermarket retro sounds radio. It's got a good sounding Thrush dual exhaust system on it. 10 bolt 373 limited slip rear end. All spackle coated in the trunk like it should be. Nice and clean. Good looking car. Again, car is nice and clean underneath too. Got some pictures of the floors and stuff. Floors are nice and clean. Sorry guys, just a little dust. Seats are all new. Gauges are nice and clean. Wait till Jordy fires this thing up, man. It's got a great sound to it. They've definitely replaced that A-pillar chrome. That's nice. Nice little cam. Runs on pump gas, so it's not too crazy. Boy, car is. It's got good sound to it. Love that option. The blinker jack works. All your gauges are functional. I know the backup lights work. That car sounds good. Radio works, blower motor works. Doors open and close real nice. Wipers work. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram or our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time we post a new video, guys.